Hey guys, welcome to Carpaladin. Let's talk about some car buying. I did a video on first time car buying tips and I want to do a follow up video for that. So just giving 4 more tips. The last video I did, the first 4 were do your research, get a pre approval, watch out for add ons, and then be prepared for the finance department. Here's 4 more. Research your trade-in before you go to the dealership. So like I said, research the vehicle. You're going to want to research your trade-in. You don't want to walk into the car dealership and let them tell you what your car's worth. So what you're going to want to do is do your research online, just like you do your research for the vehicle. There's a lot of different ways. I go over that on the gold course, carpaladin.com. But the second tip is going to be don't feel rushed. So many car buyers make this mistake where they go in, they see that white XSE Camry or, I don't know, whatever, Bronco, Badlands, they're at the lot and then they feel like, man, that's exactly what I wanted. That's what the dealership wants you to feel. Unless you're chasing down some kind of super rare car like a TRD Pro, the specialty color. I mean, even those are pretty common. It's all about doing your research beforehand. You don't want to feel rushed. You don't want to go to the car dealership and feel like you don't have time to make a decision or you're being forced to make a decision. I know situations happen. Sometimes you can't wait any longer to buy a vehicle due to circumstances with life or whatever the case may be. But if at all that you do have time, which is 90% of the time, I'll say, don't feel rushed. These vehicles are everywhere. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of Toyota Camrys, all trim levels. They're not hard to find. F-150s, Ram trucks, Chargers. Sorry, those don't exist anymore. It's 2025. Different muscle car. Think Mustangs. They're everywhere, right? So don't feel rushed. Take your time. If something just irks you, you get to the dealership, something doesn't feel right. You went to the gold course. You know how to buy a car. They're just really saying a lot of things that you don't like, or you feel like they're pressuring you way too much, or they just won't come to your agreement. I mean, if you're really, really close, okay, bend a little bit to get exactly what you want. But if they're way off, the deal's just way off, walk away. Just walk away and watch it magically try to get a little bit better. But we're not going to play that game. So don't feel rushed and always ask for more off. So that's going to be my third step. Always ask for more. You get that pencil, you look at the trade-in, it's never enough. The first pencil is never the best deal. I'm telling you that from 8 years of experience in the car business. The very first pencil is never the best deal. Even if you negotiate it online, you come in, always ask for more. They'll always go a little bit more, even if it's $500. No good manager is going to lose a deal over $500. It's 500 more bucks in your pocket. So always ask for more off. Always ask for more for your trade-in. But then the fourth step is going to be, what does it say? Okay. Sorry, guys. So the fourth step is going to be to check the mileage of the car. So a lot of dealerships use their vehicles for loaners at times, depending on situations, or they may dealer trade for a vehicle and then all of a sudden they got, 1,000 miles on it. Remember what I said before? There's tons of these cars. I don't know that I would take a deal on a car with more than 1,000 miles on it just because I'm paying for a brand new car, right? I hear that all the time from customers. And I feel every time that situation comes up, I say, hey man, I totally get it. When I buy a car, I don't want 1,000 miles on it either. In that situation, unless it's exactly what I want, I'm definitely asking for more off after finding out that it has 1,000 miles on it. But some of these vehicles got 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 miles on it. That's a huge, not red flag, but I'm just saying I'm not buying that car. I'm not going to buy that car. You shouldn't buy that car unless they're coming up with a substantial discount added on to the one you already asked for. Don't rush. Don't feel pressured. There's plenty of time to buy a car. You can walk away. It's okay. There's a lot of dealerships out there. Always ask for more. Ask for more for the trade-in. Ask for a better sales price. It's part of negotiating. And the last thing is check the mileage before you buy a car. Always make sure you're getting a new car and not a loaner car, not a CTP, or not something that has 3,000 miles on it. There's too many cars out there to take that one. It's your money, right? If you have any other questions, check out some more of my videos. I probably have the answer to it on my channel. If not, then go to the bronze course. If you have any other car buying questions, I've got a full, it's free, 100% free bronze course, which is a very quick 7-step process on how to buy a car, where you're going to make what? A very quick car buying guide. It's free. It's 7 steps. It basically ensures that the dealership makes no money off you. You're not going to be one of these customers that they make $10,000 profit, $7,000 profit. I mean, if you didn't know, car dealerships make a lot of money per car deal. But regardless, guys. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I can come up with some more car buying videos, because I feel like I've made just a lot of quality stuff. I mean, you could literally just go through my channel right now, and it's probably got the best car buying advice, tips, tricks, whatever, like on YouTube. I'm not even kidding. It's hard for me to explain that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys.